What's going down, y'all? Welcome back to another video. Today we're doing another dry shave on a woman. Now, quick disclaimer, this video is not going to be as dramatic as the ones in the past. You're not going to see a lot of hair and dead skin just falling off the face. So basically this video is going to be based around acne correction. If you've never heard of that, I don't even know if that's a real term, but that's what I like to call it for these type of videos. I've done a video in the past on one of my male clients. The link will be popping up right now in either corner. Click that if you're curious of what I'm talking about. But basically we just reset the skin. We shave off anything that might be causing these breakout and acne bumps, whatever you guys want to call it. So we shave off dead and damaged skin. We remove the pores of any deep embedded sweat, dirt, makeup, whatever. I call it junk. We just call it junk. Any junk on the face, we remove that. We reset the skin to a new layer. That way we can disinfect, clean it, properly moisturize it, and you're good to go. So my bad if you clicked on this video expecting to see the dramatic stuff that you're accustomed to seeing on this channel. The next video, I got y'all. Y'all want the hair and dead skin? Trust me, I got you. But for now, we're gonna focus on acne correction rather than extreme dry shaving. And like always, we're gonna start off first things first with the pre-shave treatment. We're gonna wipe down the face with some toner. I tried to use this toner to wipe off any excess oil, dirt, sweat, makeup, whatever the case may be. I call it junk. Any junk on the skin, I try to wipe off with this toner. And I think this is where I went wrong. I could have done a lot more to prep the skin. It would have made for a better video because her skin would have been a lot more drier. You guys would have seen the dead skin and hair just coming off the face. But I didn't realize how oily her skin was, and not even in a bad way. Her skin was just naturally oily. It's naturally glowy. But I should have just took more necessary steps. I should have scrubbed her face with a face wash, something that's real stripping, kind of like Noxzema, if you guys are familiar with that. Washed her face with Noxzema, followed it up with some rubbing alcohol. I know you guys don't like rubbing alcohol, but for this type of service and how her skin was, rubbing alcohol would have been perfect in the pre-shave treatment because it would have been so stripping and so aggressive of knocking off any of that oil and sweat, any of that junk that was on the skin. And I think that's why you guys don't really see anything coming off the face, because any of that dead skin that's coming off was just congealing with her natural oils, kind of sticking to the razor rather than falling off the face. Now, if you guys are watching these videos for that type of shit, excuse my language, any of that type of stuff, you guys like seeing the hair come off the face, the dead skin, the dramatic stuff. It would have been a lot more dramatic if I would have took more necessary steps to dry out her skin. And if you guys are familiar, I posted a video of me shaving a man's face, one of my male clients. He broke out real bad to the electric shaver, so we shaved his face kind of to reset the skin, take off a layer of skin, and then in the days following, his skin completely cleared up. And that was the same kind of concept for this particular client. We wanted to exfoliate the skin for one, and I think you guys will see her skin kind of turn red throughout the process, and that's just because we want to exfoliate the skin, remove that layer of damage and dead skin and any junk, any dirt, any sweat, any makeup, and then we can properly disinfect the area, kill any of that bacteria that's causing these breakouts, and then we just reset it, we clean it, we moisturize it, let the skin relax and rest for the next couple of days, and then the acne dramatically clears up. I will show you guys a little clip coming up of like 3 to 4 days after the service. Her skin looks amazing. So for anyone that clicked on this video and was severely underwhelmed at what you've seen, I understand, because I watch these videos. I do these videos for the dramatic hair and dead skin just coming off the face, because it is crazy, but it is also satisfying to see. But this particular video I wanted to post because not everyone's face is extremely hairy, especially women's faces, but a lot of women do deal with oily skin. They do deal with acne breakouts, and this is a type of service that is out there to help acne. I promise to God, this works, because I dealt with acne growing up, and I never knew what the fuck to do, to be honest. There's so many options, there's so many things that can cause acne and breakouts, but a service like this, I will swear by it. Not even because I do it, I just genuinely swear by it. It just makes sense. You remove anything and everything that can cause a possible breakout on top of your skin. We reset the skin, we clean the skin, we moisturize it, we protect it, let the skin relax and naturally heal, and then you get results. I promise to God. If it doesn't work for you, if you break out because of the razor, I apologize. Not everyone's skin can take the razor, but this is a viable option to deal with acne. And if you guys believe me, try it. If not, hey, do your own thing, but I swear by it. Now, after the shave, the post-shave treatment is by far the most important part of this whole process. If you mess this up, then your skin is going to get worse. Your client's skin is probably going to break out. So I am going to use rubbing alcohol. It is super drying. It is whatever aggressive on the skin, but it is a disinfectant. This is going to kill any bacteria, wipe off any of the extra dirt and oil that can cause potential breakouts, and it's perfect for that. So then this is Heritage Stone, basically just rose water. The only ingredients in this is hydro essential rose, if I'm not mistaken, and purified water. So it is perfect. It's gentle, it's refreshing, it adds moisture, natural moisture to her skin. It's just an amazing facial spray, trust me. Then we're just gonna lightly moisturize her skin. This is key. A lot of people would add like sunscreen, which is okay as well, but anything with the fragrance, anything that's super clogging and thick, you don't want that. And this moisturizer, from personal experience, is super light, it's super moisturizing, and it's just a perfect lightweight coat to protect the skin and moisturize it. So that's really it. I'm going to follow up using the J-Stone roller after this to kind of shrink those pores and lock in that moisture, relax the face, soothe the face. But that's it. Hopefully you guys did enjoy. If you have any more questions about acne correction or anything like that, face shaving, drop a comment down below. I'm always active in the comments. Leave a like if you enjoyed, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Glistening, I told you.
Crazy, I didn't even think there was anything on my face.
There really wasn't, but like when you shave, obviously
but it feels like
a lot smoother.
Yeah, like the layer came off.
Yeah.
Thank you.
No problem.